Wait, is that Skidd McMarx up ahead?
Oh, someone help me!
Nice. Attention, future consumer. While the Skidd McMarx Sports Shack appreciates your enthusiasm, you are now trespassing in a restricted area. Please vacate the construction site.
Uh-oh, reinforcements! That's the last of them.
That was impressive.
Attention, future consumer. We thank you for your interest in the Skidd McMarx Sports Shack. However, your refusal to leave has forced us to activate the Constructobots. Have a nice day. Intrusion detected in Sector 4. Dispatching Constructobots.
They keep coming!
Attention, future consumer. The finest selection of hoverboards, grav bikes, and gyrocycles will not be in stock until next fall. The only thing waiting for you here is death.
Skids McMarx here. As you know, I'm a naturally talented hoverboard. You know what else is natural about me? Find out by visiting our herbal supplements department. You'll thank me later, man. No, seriously, will.
That belongs to Chairman Drek. Come on, don't make this hard for yourself. Give him up and no one gets hurt.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't know where he is. You know celebrities these days. They do whatever they want. We can work this out, can't we?
Oh, we'll work it out. By defeating the sand shark. Help! These brutes are trying to kill me! Bring down the law back! There's more of them! Hey! Get them off my back and I'll make you famous! One dead lump. Look out!
Now that's impressive. Have either of you thought about a career in professional sports? Good work, kid. I think that's all of them. Boy, am I happy to see a couple of friendly faces. I've been running from those blarg all night.
Hey, you're that famous sports agent, Don Wonderstar.
You got that right, kid. Listen, I got a big problem. I'm supposed to take Skidd McMarx to the Blackwater City hoverboard competition on Rilgar, and this place is crawling with sand sharks. Skid's gotta be near the ship. I just need someone to help clear out these sand sharks so I can get to them. Think you can help me out?
No problem. Wait here. We'll take care of it.
You two are true heroes. I mean that. Skid's my star client. Please find him.